Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Thursday, June 15th, 2023, and what I have here is a Palco Carib 36-inch industrial ceiling fan. It was originally purchased, I actually got it from the original owner for free. He installed it in 1976 when he built his house, had it installed in the master bedroom. And it always worked perfectly. I do have the original switch, the rotary control. I have that down in my other shop, not here. So I hitched up to a regular solid state control. So I love these little fans. They actually remind me of a miniature version of the 56-inch Palcos I remember seeing as a kid. There was a discount department store called Caldor, and there were usually two or three of these at the front checkout. They had a couple of different. I think there were two at the front checkout, and then there was one store that had a rear checkout as well. The one at Redstone Shopping Center in Stoneham. And they had one over the rear register and two over the front, I believe. And the one in Saugus had, it had two over the front, and they all had them in the back room as well. I have vague memories of, like, pressing my face up against into the back door and looking at them and seeing them in the back. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to take it for a test spin. Oh yeah, it's moving a ton of air. Yeah, fun fact, these were actually rebadged as gold lines. I had one a while ago. It came with a cage, and I think I gave that to like Dan or Metal Pete or something, or maybe both of them because they have that shop. But anyway, this one here, because it was residentially installed, it's in really great shape for a nearly 50-year-old fan. And I honestly never knew they'd made them back in '76. I was gonna guess it was like mid '80s sometime. But the guy had it, built this house in '76 and had it installed the fan when he built it. So I learned something there. So anyway, I'm gonna slow it down a bit. Guess I slowed it down all the way. Actually, gonna move my phone over here so you can see the tag. There we go. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.